Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a deactivated DoorDash account. So the first thing you will need to do is to go to DoorDash Help Center or their support page. So once you go there, you will need to click on the link that they have provided in order for you to appeal to the deactivation. So once you do that, you can choose the language that you prefer to continue in. And from here, you will need to fill in your information. So first, you will add your email, and then you will need to choose the reason of the activation. So once you are ready, like once you choose the right one, just click on next, and then the form is gonna be sent, and you then need to wait for DoorDash to review your request, and you can go from there. So let's say you have waited for a long time and you did not hear from them. The thing that you can do at that point is actually to contact them. So basically, you can contact DoorDash support team from their help center. So you can either call them or you can also chat with them using the DoorDash app. So this is how to fix DoorDash deactivated account.